Stevie the squirrel has hiccups. Stevie the squirrel has a horrible case of the hiccups. He hiccups all the way home. He hiccups at the dinner table. Try drinking a glass of water upside down. Stevie's sister tries not to laugh. It's not working. Stevie is getting fed up with his hiccups now. You need someone to scare you. That always works. You could try holding your breath. Hold it till they're gone, like this. Stevie's sister jumps down from her chair and takes a big breath in, puffing out her cheeks. Sis, are you okay? Aw, that's so not funny. You scared me. Bet your hiccups are gone, though, aren't they?